Hey guys, and I'm gonna show how to bring back to life your dead battery. All you need to buy this charger. It has different methods to charge your car battery from motorcycle to car, and all you need to do, click the repair button. It will repair your battery. Most of the times it works and you can drive another few months, like half a year or something like that. It's pretty inexpensive, around 20 bucks I bought this one. You need to charge it overnight. In my case, I need to drive this car, I have to take off, that's why I didn't disconnect it. And if you disconnect the battery, it's better. It needs around 24 hours to charge it fully and recover fully, and then you're good to go. This method is actually really good. I've tried it plenty of times. It brought back my car battery to life, I guess 3 times or 4. Saved a lot of money. And that's it. All you need to connect your red cable to positive and black cable to negative, and then wait until it charges fully. As you can see, it's showing the percentage. Pull means pulse charging, and pulse charging, and it's actually really healthy for your car battery. There are plenty of functions, just like charging, normal charging. This one is for motorcycle and I don't need it, and then click back to for repair, recovery, charging. This was everything. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask.